Hey everyone, it's time to dive into some thrilling military tech. Today we're exploring India's next-gen military arsenal that could change the game for future conflicts. First up, we've got the BrahMos 2 hypersonic cruise missile. This beast can hit Mach 7, making it almost impossible to intercept. Developed with Russia, but future versions are set to be more homegrown, aligning with the Make in India initiative. Think about it. Mach 7 is over 7 times the speed of sound. Next, let's talk about the Agni 6 intercontinental ballistic missile. This game-changer has a whopping 12,000 kilometers range and can carry multiple warheads. That means it can hit multiple targets, providing a serious nuclear deterrent. It's all about strategic autonomy for India. Moving on to the Nirbhay subsonic cruise missile. With a 1,000 kilometers range, this missile is all about precision strikes. It can loiter over targets, making it versatile for both conventional and potentially nuclear roles. Now for the skies, we have the Astra Mk2 Beyond Visual Range air-to-air missile. With a 160 kilometers range, this missile ensures air superiority, especially against advanced fighters like the J-10C. It's a crucial asset for maintaining control of the skies. Let's not forget drone warfare. During the recent conflict, India used Israeli Harop drones, but the focus is now on developing indigenous armed drones. This means better adaptability and less dependency on foreign tech. Finally, the ongoing development of indigenous advanced air defense systems is crucial. While systems like the S-400 performed well, reducing reliance on Russia is a strategic priority. So what do you think about India's upcoming military arsenal? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting military tech insights. Thanks for watching.